we're going to make the bottom of a high-rise structure, for which we need connectors. This is a perfect connector to connect octagonal bars with others, and also to connect those with hexagonal bars. First we need to build basic elements for that. To make those, you start going around. "11 balls, one on top, and the one on top goes behind." Turn this around, turn it over, and then the ball on the left down and right down, I'm going to make them join. Now I have 2 of them, and with those 2 balls I'm going to meet those 2 balls, so when this is on top, the pointy one, you have to slightly rotate them, and then meet at the back. Now I'm going to let the squares in the middle meet. Now you get an X. I'm going to put the legs of the X together. And now we got the desired unit. The 6 on this row have the same polarity, and the 6 on this row have the same polarity. I'm going to start with 2 of the same polarity, connecting them with octagons. And the way to meet them is this hexagon is pointing up and this one is pointing that way. That is perfect. I'm going to do the same over here. Now first I'm going to connect one hexagon on the side. You can take any odd number. On the right side I'm going to do the same. Eventually they have to meet, so it has to go like this. I take 3 octagons, any odd number will do, to put on this side. And now again on the right, the hexagon here points up, so that one has to go horizontal. Now we are ready to connect, and this is the ground layer. Ready to make a second layer. For the second layer I need to do the same, only check the hexagons again, like this. This hexagon is going this way, so this one has to go that way. Hexagon pointing that way, so this one has to go this way. And connect single hexagon. Same here. Connect hexagon. Octagons, I'm sorry. Make sure the hexagons point a different way. Connect this. And now this should connect. Yes. The last layer. This one needs to go this way. Check the hexagons again. Add one layer of hexagons. And now connect those. They have to fit like that. Check the hexagons. They must be different, pointing like that. I forgot I have to put some hexagons over here. Connect this part. And we have the third layer. Now this is quite a strong structure. I'll show you. This is a 2-liter bottle, and 2 liters equals 2 kilograms. I'm gonna add another bottle. And as you can see, the structure can carry 4 kilograms, which is quite a lot. So with 4 kilograms that means that you can build a structure of roughly, well, between 80 centimeters and a meter or so, going straight up from here.